What do you know about China?
China, I love Chinese food. That's what I know. I really like their culture. I would love to go there someday, explore the many things they have to offer. They're definitely our brothers. Diplomatically, we're neighbors, and historically, we have been friends since a very long time.
So, do you know any popular festivals celebrated in China?
I don't know the actual name of it, but I think it's called the Dragon Festival. Or I think the yearly festival that they have to celebrate their the year, maybe the year of the dragon of the monkey, where I think they have costumes and they celebrate. And I think recently I know these shop owners, they have authentic Chinese food, so they went over to celebrate that festival. I think it was the New Year festival, and that's really interesting. I think I would personally love to explore that and their culture.
Any one place that you want to visit in China?
I'm not, really familiar with the specificities of China, the specific places, but I know that their countryside is beautiful. They have beautiful mountains, green grasslands, the things I've seen in pictures, so I would love to visit that.
Okay. Can you tell us about relationship between Pakistan and China?
Yes, like I said, diplomatically, like politically, we have been close since a very long time. Pakistan really cherishes China's strength and the ability that they stand behind Pakistan, because having such a superpower on our sides, either it be through cultural exchange, either it be through diplomatic exchange or political understanding, it's important for us to have that level of connection and that relationship for the betterment of Pakistan and China, because this is how we ensure peace in the Asian continent. And I think we have the One Belt Road Initiative, the CPEC, so many things we're collaborating on that will benefit Pakistan internally. So I think that's what I know about the relationship. It's good, it should foster.
Do you have any Chinese friend or anyone living here in Pakistan from China?
Chinese friend I don't have, but I've interacted with some Chinese people on some Chinese festivals. I would like to get to know them better. I've seen many Chinese here. Like I mentioned, there's a family of Muslim Chinese converts that have a restaurant here, and it's very famous, and people love that.
Can you share with us the restaurant's name?
Many people know, but it's called Lanzhou. It's in F7. It's in I8. It's a Chinese restaurant. It's very nice. They have ramen noodles. You should definitely go and have food there.
What do you think? What aspect of Pakistani culture would attract Chinese people or anyone from foreigner country?
I think it's diversity, its richness, its trueness to itself. Pakistani people are very sure of their values, their culture, what they hold true to themselves. And if we talk about like material, tangible culture, we have a lot of cultural artifacts. We have clothing, we have scars, we have things, we have embroidery that I think people from all over the world, they will really be intrigued by it. We have multiple dishes, we have our own music, we have our own dances and festivals. There are many, like the Kalasha people in Chitral, the Kalasha Valley, they live in the Kalasha Valley. They're ethnic minority, and I feel like they have such a vibrant culture that I, living in Islamabad, being like a fourth generation child in Islamabad, I would definitely be attracted to their culture. Pakistani होके तो जो बाहर के लोग होंगे वो कितना अट्रैक्ट होंगे कि भाई उनका कल्चर कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है. अदर देन दैट पाकिस्तान पास बड़ी चीज़ें ऑफर करने के लिए. हमारे पास कवालियाँ हैं, द बेस्ट पार्ट. हमारे पास अपना खाना है, हमारे पास अपने फल हैं. वी आर नोन फॉर आर मैंगोज, वी आर नोन फॉर आर पीचेस थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. एंड देयर जस्ट सो मैनी थिंग्स यू कैन कम एंड एडमायर in Pakistan, the people, the culture, the life. Pakistan is a very lively country. We have a lot of life. We don't give up. We're resilient in that manner. So I feel like people from all over the world should come and see for the things we truly have to offer.
That's really great to hear. What do you know about China? Seems like someone has confused you with Chinese people. That's why you're laughing, right?
या तकरीबन सारे लोग, सारे तो नहीं, मतलब कि मेजॉरिटी लोग मुझे चाइनीज़, कोरियन, जापानीज़ ये इस तरीके से लाइक समझते हैं कि ये बंदा है.
They think you're Chinese, Japanese, or Korean.
लेकिन मैं उनको कहता हूँ नहीं, मैं नहीं हूँ.
Do you want to visit China?
No,
No? Why not?
because I don't like China.
But you said people say you look like one.
I do look like one, but वो मेरा क्या पर्सनल प्रेफरेंस है. मैं नहीं करता प्रेफर चाइना टू विजिट.
So are there any Chinese restaurants here in Pakistan?
I don't know any of them. Sushi. क्या कहते हैं?
Sushi?
नहीं रेस्टोरेंट के नाम लेंजो कुछ कहते हैं, आई डोंट नो.
Do you like Chinese food?
नो, मुझे नहीं.
You don't?
नो, आई लाइक देसी फूड.
And do you have any Chinese friends?
नहीं.
Do you know any popular festivals that are celebrated in China?
चाइनीज़ न्यू ईयर.
Do you know anything about the relationship between Pakistan and China?
हाँ, स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
That's it?
हाँ, स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
It's strong.
It's very strong, yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, Kamran.
You're welcome.
What do you know about China?
China created 5000 BC, a really, really old country, and they still call themselves developing, but they are one of the leading major countries in the world.
Have you ever visited China?
Yes, once when I was 1 year old.
Hey, that's great. So, do you remember anything from that country's culture when you were small?
I do remember pictorial memories of that area. I do remember there used to be temples and stuff. Buddha is a big thing there, and a lot of parks in China that I remember. And yeah, that's the most of it.
So, do you have any Chinese friends?
Unfortunately, no. No.
Can you speak a little bit Chinese?
Ni hao.
What does that mean?
Hello, I guess.
Yeah,
Hello. Yeah.
it means hello. Okay. Do you want to visit China again or any landmark that you want to visit?
I'd love to go to the Great Wall of China. I've seen it. Obviously, 1 year doesn't count, so I'd love to walk on it. Sure.
Do you know any popular festivals celebrated in China?
Chinese New Years are crazy because they celebrate New Year's on the basis of animals. They have certain animals, so each year it's a different animal. So yeah, it's really fun.
What do you know about relationship between Pakistan and China?
China calls us their iron brothers, and they really, 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 really do consider us as allies.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you so much for your time.
No worries.
What do you know about China?
China is a neighboring country of Pakistan, consisting of very different cultures and diverse background areas. And knowing their collaboration with Pakistan and how they have helped Pakistan in different treaties and different wars, different economic turmoils, China is a great country in my regards.
Do you have any Chinese friends?
No, I don't.
Okay. So, are there any Chinese restaurants here in Pakistan?
Oh yeah, there are a lot of Chinese restaurants. Like almost, I would say, 5 kilometers from here, you can find a good Chinese place here.
Do you want to visit any place in China or any famous landmark? You know about it?
There are certain places in China. I don't know the exact name of the place, but the Buddhist temples in China, their aesthetic, their culture, their history, I would really much love to visit them and learn about that.
Okay, that's nice. Do you know any popular festivals celebrated in China?
There are a lot of festivals celebrated in China, like the New Year festivals that they have celebrating different animal each year. So, which is also celebrated in Pakistan in the Pak China Center.
Okay. What do you know about relationship between Pakistan and China?
Knowing that it has spanned from since the birth of Pakistan, Pakistan and China have been really close friends. Pakistan has helped China in the past, and China from that point on has helped Pakistan a lot in different turmoils, in different wars, and in different economical situations.